Students, today we are going to start trigonometry from the very first beginning. Now, what is the meaning of trigonometry? The meaning of trigonometry is itself included in its name. Trigo, it comes from Latin word. Trigo means triangle and metry means measurement. It means trigonometry deals about the triangle and its measurement. And what are the measurements of the triangle? The measurement of the triangle includes angles, their length of the side, their areas, relation between the sides, relation between the angles, in circle, circumcircle, and so many things. But in class 10, in the initial stage of trigonometry, we will only have the knowledge about right angle triangle. It means in class 8, we are going to have the knowledge about right angle triangle only. Now, before discussing trigonometry, we have to discuss the angle first. What is the meaning of an angle? In the previous class, from class 5, we have already very much knowledge about the angle. Now, in the case of trigonometry, when we deal about the trigonometry, we must have certain idea about angle. Let us suppose an initial ray. This is an initial ray. We name it OX. Why it is very essential in trigonometry, the meaning of angle? Because in trigonometry, the angle may be positive, may be negative. The angle will be positive and negative both. It depends upon the nature of rotation of the initial ray. Let us suppose the initial ray, we called OX as initial ray. Initial ray. If this initial ray rotates anti-clockwise, this is your anti-clockwise rotation. Anti-clockwise rotation, and let us suppose an angle is formed. The angle is angle XOY. Let this angle is unknown angle. We denote it by theta. Theta is an symbolic representation of an unknown angle. This angle will be positive. The angle traced will be positive. This is your plus theta. Why? Because the rotation is anti-clockwise. If initial ray rotates anti-clockwise, positive angles will be traced. Positive angles will be traced. Positive angles will be traced. It means if we have to make plus 30 degree, let us suppose we have to make plus 30 degree. It has a meaning here, plus 30 degree. It means we take the initial ray like this, and the initial ray will trace an angular angle of 30 degree in anti-clockwise direction. Then we mention it plus 30 degree. Now, in trigonometry, if there is plus theta, if the angle is positive, it means there is a sense of negative also. So, what is the meaning of negative ray? If initial ray moves anti-clockwise direction, if initial ray moves clockwise direction, negative angles will be traced.